Good day. My name is Dave Rooney. I'm the Vincennes University Site Manager here at Prosser Career Center. The partnership between Vincennes and Prosser is very strong, and being a Prosser student gets you a lot of benefits moving on to Vincennes University in the future. As a result of our strong partnership, 42 of our Prosser students went on to Vincennes University pursuing their college degrees at a reduced rate of tuition and housing last year. We provide housing scholarships, reduced tuition rates for Prosser-specific students. I am here full-time as a Vincennes University employee working at Prosser Career Center, and I look forward to meeting you guys in the fall. If you have any questions, again, my name is Dave Rooney. I'm the Vincennes University Site Manager at Prosser, and I can be reached at 812-981-7680. Look forward to seeing you in the fall.